Hi everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can disable or solve your problem with Peugeot 308 rear seatbelt alarm. So when I start a car, the alarm is turned on and the problem is the rear seatbelt. I made a research and I saw that the most common thing that goes bad are the sensors, occupancy sensor for the rear seats. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can remove it. Maybe you're going to find a way to replace it or find a way to repair it. But on these 308 from 2011, I'm going to just remove the sensor and solve the problem with the rear seat belt alarm. That goes crazy, so it is practically too annoying when you drive the car with the alarm turned on. So let's get started. What we need to do firstly is to remove the seats. So just the seats are too easy to be removed. Just pull them like this, and after that we can remove it by pulling this thing here and pulling them off. Forgot to mention what was the problem. So even if they were not people on the back, the alarm was turned on. How I said, I think that the occupancy sensor is in a problem. So it is placed here, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a screwdriver here and pull these plastics out, and we're gonna see how we're gonna proceed with removing the occupancy sensor. So let's do it. So here it is how we can remove it. Just put a screwdriver here and turn it like this. I'm gonna proceed with removing the rest of them and see how we can get to the sensor. Here there are. I removed them. I'm gonna remove this plastic. Here it is. After removing the plastic, I can take this carpet out and remove this connector, which is connected to the sensor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this connector. Maybe you can try finding another one or trying to solve this, but to be honest, I don't have a lot of time to deal with it. I'm gonna just remove the connector, and that is gonna solve my problem. I put everything back together how it used to be, and I just want to mention that if you're not planning to change the sensor or fix it somehow, you don't have to probably remove everything or so on. Try to find a way to get to the connector that I showed you and just unplug it somehow, so you don't have to do this job. It is a good idea to try to solve it, because the feature that this car has, I like it. But for example, in my country, it is a little bit harder to find the sensor and so on. Maybe if I get a used one, it's not gonna work properly, so I just removed it. So yep, let's put it. Here it is. Yep. Thank you for watching, and if you like these types of videos where I'm talking about electronics, programming microcontrollers, some fixing things and so on, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, so thank you for that. Bye bye.